Monte Prima, located on the island of Sardinia, has long been a treasure trove of archaeological discoveries, but a recent exploration of an untouched cave near this legendary site has sent shockwaves through the scientific community. Hidden beneath layers of sediment and obscured from human interference for over 11,000 years, the cave's contents have challenged long-standing theories about ancient civilizations, their technological capabilities, and their cultural practices. This untouched time capsule, seemingly frozen in time, has become a focal point for researchers across multiple disciplines, offering unprecedented insights into a forgotten chapter of human history. Discovered during an excavation aimed at expanding the understanding of the Monte Prima giants, mysterious stone statues dating back to the Nuragic civilization, the cave was initially overlooked as a minor geological feature. However, when ground-penetrating radar revealed a series of chambers beneath the surface, archaeologists quickly realized they were dealing with something extraordinary. The entrance, sealed by a natural rockfall millennia ago, had preserved the cave in a pristine state, shielding its contents from looters, weathering, and even microorganisms that typically degrade organic materials over time. This perfect preservation allowed researchers to step back in time, encountering artifacts and relics that appeared untouched by the passage of thousands of years. Upon entering the cave, the team was greeted by a staggering sight: an array of artifacts meticulously arranged in what appeared to be a ceremonial or ritualistic fashion. The floor was adorned with tools, pottery, and other items, some of which were so advanced that they seemed out of place for the era they belonged to. This stark contrast has left researchers grappling with a myriad of questions. How did the cave's ancient inhabitants achieve such sophistication, and what was the purpose of these items? Among the most perplexing discoveries were the carvings and petroglyphs lining the cave walls, depicting scenes of daily life, celestial patterns, and symbolic imagery that suggested a highly developed understanding of astronomy and the natural world. One of the most significant finds within the cave was a collection of organic materials, including plant fibers, wooden implements, and even preserved fragments of textiles. These materials, radiocarbon dated to over 11,000 years ago, have provided unprecedented insights into the technological ingenuity of the people who used this cave. The textiles, for instance, showcased weaving techniques far more advanced than previously thought possible for the time period. This discovery is rewriting the timeline of human innovation, suggesting that the inhabitants of Sardinia and their contemporaries were more sophisticated than historians had imagined. The cave also contains skeletal remains that have proven to be a goldmine of information about the people who lived in and around Monte Prima. Analysis of these remains has revealed surprising details about their diet, health, and genetic makeup. Isotope analysis of their bones indicates a diet rich in both terrestrial and marine resources, highlighting a society that was adept at exploiting its environment. Furthermore, the genetic studies suggest a unique population that may have had links to both Mediterranean and more distant cultures, raising intriguing questions about ancient trade networks and cultural exchanges. One of the most groundbreaking aspects of the cave's discovery was the evidence of advanced astronomical knowledge. Several chambers within the cave were aligned with remarkable precision to celestial events, such as solstices and equinoxes. These alignments were not accidental but the result of deliberate planning, indicating a deep understanding of the cosmos. This discovery ties the cave to the Monte Prima giants, which are also thought to have astronomical significance. The carvings on the statues, depicting geometric patterns and celestial symbols, suggest that the people of Monte Prima placed great importance on the movements of the stars and planets. The cave, therefore, may have served as a sacred space where rituals were performed to honor celestial deities or mark important agricultural cycles. The preservation of organic matter in the cave also extended to foodstuffs, with remnants of grains, seeds, and even fermented beverages found in ceramic vessels. This evidence sheds light on the dietary practices and agricultural knowledge of the cave's users. The grains discovered were of a variety that suggests early domestication, pushing back the timeline for agriculture in the Mediterranean region. The fermented beverages, likely a form of rudimentary beer or wine, indicate a cultural and possibly religious significance associated with these practices. The cave was not just a shelter or storage site but a hub of sophisticated social and ceremonial activities. Another element that has astonished researchers is the craftsmanship displayed in the tools and artifacts found within the cave. Bronze tools with intricate designs were discovered, despite the general consensus that metalworking in this region did not emerge until much later. The implications are profound, suggesting that the knowledge of metallurgy could have been more widespread and developed earlier than previously believed. This discovery could lead to a re-evaluation of the timeline for technological advancements in the ancient world, bridging gaps in our understanding of how societies transitioned from the Stone Age to the Bronze Age. The cave's symbolic carvings also bear striking resemblances to those found in other parts of the Mediterranean, hinting at possible connections between the people of Monte Prima and other ancient cultures. Some of the imagery has parallels with early Egyptian and Mesopotamian symbols, while other motifs appear unique to Sardinia. These connections raise fascinating questions about the extent of communication and cultural exchange between ancient societies. Could the cave represent a convergence point for different civilizations, a place where ideas and traditions were shared and preserved? As researchers continue to study the cave, its contents, and its broader implications, they are grappling with the challenges of interpreting such a complex site. The lack of written records from the Nuragic civilization means that much of the knowledge gleaned from the cave must be pieced together through painstaking analysis and comparison with other archaeological finds. Each artifact, from the smallest shard of pottery to the most elaborate carvings, tells a story, but the full narrative remains elusive. The cave has become a symbol of how much we have yet to learn about the ancient world, even in regions that have been extensively studied. The implications of this discovery extend far beyond Sardinia. The cave is reshaping our understanding of early human history, challenging long-held assumptions about the development of technology, culture, and trade. It is also a powerful reminder of the importance of preserving archaeological sites, as countless treasures may still lie hidden beneath the surface, waiting to be uncovered. The untouched nature of this cave has provided a rare glimpse into the past, offering a level of preservation that is almost unheard of in archaeology. It serves as a poignant example of what can be achieved when sites are protected from looting and environmental degradation. In conclusion, the discovery of a cave untouched for 11,000 years near Monte Prima has sent ripples through the scientific community, challenging established narratives and opening new avenues for research. This extraordinary find has revealed a level of sophistication in ancient Sardinian society that was previously unimaginable, from advanced weaving and metallurgy to astronomical knowledge and cultural complexity. As researchers continue to unravel the mysteries of this cave, they are rewriting the history of the Mediterranean and shedding light on the remarkable achievements of our ancestors. This discovery is a testament to the enduring power of human curiosity and ingenuity, reminding us that the past still holds countless secrets waiting to be discovered.